Danny B up on the cart, pushing it all the way down the hallway. But not knowing how to turn around. What are you going to do now? What are you going to do now? You going to sit down and go? Hey. Dana Braden. Come on. Whoop. Go, baby, go. No, not the gate. Danger. Danger. Good job. Good job. Let's go. Push your cart. Danger. Come on.